Hi, I'm stonecipher, and this is my channel where we talk about all things brick and mortar retail. And today I'm going to dive in to my absolute love affair that I have been having with Shopify for the last 10 years. Caveat, this is not, repeat not, a sponsored video. I truly love this entire platform because it has changed my life as a small business owner. No understatement. My staff cracks up because I get asked all the time for some reason what we use, what point of sale we use. We'll have other small businesses who are traveling come in and ask me, and I will stop everything I'm doing to give them a tutorial because it truly has changed my life. And here are the 5 reasons why you should switch to Shopify as well.
Have you ever dreamed of opening your own clothing store? Would you love to be a larger part of your local community? Or maybe you already have an online shop but want to take the leap into a physical location. Well, join me as I pull back the curtain on all things brick and mortar. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on how to grow and thrive in your own retail storefront.
First, it is an all-encompassing platform. What do I mean by that? It is your point of sale inside your shop. It is also your website, you guys. So you put products in one time and it is on both platforms. That means if you have a pink maxi dress on your website and you sell it in store, it automatically comes off of your website. It is so intuitive, so easy, and this is not gonna be a video of how to put product in or how to use Shopify. There are so many videos out there about that. This is just why I love it. Plus guys, they also are credit card processing. So if you are a new business, you don't want to be bogged down with what point of sale should I use inside my store to check people out? Oh, do I need a separate website host? Oh, do I need a separate credit card processing? They do all of it. And that means that at the end of the day, whatever sold online, whatever sold in store, it all goes into your bank account in the same deposit. It is so dang good. And their rates are very competitive, so it's a no-brainer. Okay, secondly, you guys, the back end of this to build your website is the easiest thing in the entire world. I was once at a bar with some girlfriends, and again, I was talking about my love of Shopify randomly, so weird. And we were talking about, wouldn't it be fun to do this random business? And I said, oh, I could build you a website in 20 minutes. They didn't believe me. I went to my car, I got my laptop. This is a true story. Got my laptop and I built a website for this fictional business in 20 minutes, and it looked like a national pro website. It is so crazy. It's all plug and play. They have free options on there as well, templates, so you can just pick something, click your colors, and then here's the hack. Download Canva. If you don't know what Canva is, I will link it below. It's the easiest thing in the world to make graphics for your store. This will also be a video at some point because just like Shopify, Canva has also changed my life. And it is so easy. You make a pretty graphic, you throw it up on your website, and you look like you're Lulu's. You look like you're a red dress boutique. It is wild. Go to my website right now. It looks so professional, and it was so easy. I don't even have to think about it. Great, great, great hack. You're not paying some website developer thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. If I want to change the cover of my website, I can do it from my phone, y'all. I can do it all on my phone and upload it while I'm watching Netflix at my house. Number 3, everything is wireless. This is an iPad. This is my scanner, credit card reader, my receipt printer, and even my cash drawer are wireless, and Shopify provides it all. It consolidates everything, which means if you're not using it, right, you can always stick it to the side, process your jewelry. You don't have some big, huge thing. It also means that it frees up space for all your impulse buys. Don't you want to make more money inside of your store instead of having some huge computer setup? It is awesome. You can't beat it. And Shopify sells all of the things on their website. So you just go, click, 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 sends it to you, and it's all easy peasy done. Okay, 4th reason I love Shopify, they have their own app store. Y'all, it is wild. So their typical basic platform, which I will throw up some of the numbers on here. I looked at it last night because I've had them forever, but they have, so I don't even remember how much all of their packages are, but you can get in with Shopify, 14-day free trial. Basic package is $29 a month. So easy. I pay the medium package, which is $79 a month. For all of it, you guys, like crazy how much you're getting. This does not include your credit card fees though. So remember that this is just to have access and use Shopify. $79 is the best money you could possibly spend for all that they offer. But they also have an app store. That means that anything you could possibly imagine that you would want to have in your store to make it look professional, you can download in this app store. Some of the apps are free, some of them are like $5, $10 a month, and it automatically comes off of your bill with your Shopify monthly auto debit. So it makes it super, super easy. Some of my favorite apps that they have inside the store are Smile.io. It is a customer rewards program. I will link a video we did on that. It is such an easy thing. You get people's information at checkout and then you get their information on an email list. It automatically syncs with Shopify, and then you can download something like Privy, another great app that will not only take that information from Shopify, but allow you to text message market to them, email market to them. And again, it's plug and play. Pick the colors, send the email. It is so dang easy. Tip number 5, my last tip, is one of my favorites. It integrates with all of your social media. So all of your Shopify will allow you to tag on any platform. We're talking Instagram, Facebook, Google, you name it. It will integrate and allow people to click and shop within those platforms. It, again, makes you look so dang professional. And when you're doing this, it is one checkbox. That's all it is. You're putting product in, you're saying, yes, I want it to be available on my website, I want it to be available on point of sale and on Instagram and Facebook. That's the only difference. You literally have a little check mark. So easy, you guys, and it makes you look like a big professional company. And it also builds trust with your customers, and it will make them want to spend even more money with you because you're making it so easy for them to shop. I have been with Shopify for 10 years, and they continually release new products, new updates. I just got an email this week that they did a full summer update, and they give you an email with all the new stuff, so it's constantly getting better. I know, this sounds like an ad, but I'm not kidding. I want to pass this on to you guys because it really is a game changer as a small business owner. I want to have time to engage with my customers. I also want to have time to hang out with my family outside of work, and you can't do that when things are not automated. If you want more information, we have tons of videos on my YouTube about everything that goes into retail and brick and mortar. So please like and subscribe. And as always, if you have any ideas for videos, if you have questions that are just like, Sarah, why haven't you covered this topic? Comment below. We are doing new videos every single week, and I would love to help you.